So everything I paint, all my boards, I've used bedliner. This truck bedliner, it's I would use it for the truck of my bed. I'd go with the roll-on stuff, but it's really good for plywood. It's great on plywood, except there's different types, there's different brands. The only one I don't have here that I've tried is a Hercules. The Hercules, it's I think it's like 11, 12 bucks. This one is like $7, a little over six. This one's $1 more, $8. I picked this one up at Home Depot because that's where I was at to source some wood. But this one sprays on very, very thick, and if you don't spray it on right, you get all this just clogged up. It just foams up, really. I really don't like it, but it does cover up some imperfections. Although there weren't many imperfections. I think these were studs, as opposed to like plywood boards. So not much to cover up there. Here, this I believe I used the Hercules, and I might have sprayed it with clear. I like the way this looks. Hercules is good stuff. But if you don't get Hercules, this Rust-oleum is the way to go. A little more than this is the kind of stuff that they sell at Walmart, at the store. So if you look at this board, it still has texture. It covers it up. You still see some of the wood grain. If I would have put some wood filler on here and sanded it down, I'm sure it would have came out really, really nice, but I didn't. This is pretty good. It gives a texture. It doesn't clog up like this Krylon. I would suggest to go Hercules or Rust-oleum for any of your plywood, any uses, well, at least related to car audio fabrication. This is what I use. It's cheaper than me going and putting carpet on here. This is what I do, and it works for me. Hope it helps.